In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Kraken to Tangem Wallet. To move crypto from Kraken to your Tangem Wallet, you're basically making a withdrawal from Kraken and sending it to the Tangem Wallet's blockchain address. The process is simple once you have Tangem set up. First, make sure that Tangem Wallet app and Kraken apps are updated in here in Google Play Store or App Store. Now, open the Tangem app. In here, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Tap on Receive and copy the wallet address or scan the QR code if sending from another device. Make sure you're copying the correct network address. For example, if you're withdrawing Ethereum, use the Ethereum ERC20 address. If it's Bitcoin, copy the BTC address, and so on. Next, log into your Kraken account on the app or website. Go to Funding, then choose Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Paste the Tangem wallet address you copied earlier into the withdrawal address field. Double check the address and make sure the selected network matches the one supported in Tangem for that coin. Enter the amount you want to send, review the withdrawal fee that Kraken charges, and confirm. Kraken will usually require you to verify with 2FA or email confirmation before the withdrawal is processed. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Finally, wait for the network confirmations. You'll see the crypto appear in your Tangem wallet once the transfer is complete. The time depends on the coin and network congestion. Bitcoin and Ethereum can take longer than faster networks like Solana or Polygon. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.